Hello again, it's Conor Manuel, and in this tutorial will demonstrate how to size up your images for your blog page, how to get them ready for your blog page. So again, if you have a blog folder like this, blog images, you've got different types of images in there. We're going to look at how we can actually prepare those in Photoshop. And I'll just show you a couple of little shortcuts as well. So let's go down the bottom here and launch Photoshop. And look, this is an easy way of doing it. You can drag the image down to Photoshop and that'll open it up. And you can just go straight to image size, and here is where you can actually type in the resolution, which is always 72, and the width and the height. Okay, so you can actually customize it to fit and to appear on your screen according to those dimensions. So that's pretty important. Now, the other important thing is that when you open up a photo or an image in Photoshop, you should always save it for the web. Okay, so just go down here where it says Save for Web, and just make sure that that says JPEG up here, and then you just click on Save, and you can see the dimensions are there. If you click on Save, you give it a name, put it into a folder of your choice, and you'll find that by saving it for web, it actually reduces the file size down to almost 1/8 of the original size. It compresses it really well. And so you don't really have to waste too much storage space, and it uploads quickly and all those. Lots of benefits. So let me just close that. I'm going to show you another little way of preparing images for the blog. And this is when you know the sequence of the images that will appear on your blog page. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new file in Photoshop, and I'll make the width 640 and I'll make the height 3000 pixels. So it's going to be a really long, tall banner. 72 dots is the resolution. Click OK. If I just move that across here, that is a very long, tall, skinny banner. Now watch this. I can go to my blog folder and simply drag the image directly onto my new canvas. And it comes up with these little handles. Now at this point, I can make them smaller or bigger, and I can just position it where I want it, and then press return. And I can go to the next image, same sort of thing. I can leave it the same size, I can reduce it. And essentially I'm creating a long banner of images. There's my third one. In the order that I want, just by dragging them from the folder directly into the canvas, positioning how I want it. And this time, once I've got them all in order, I can then go to File, I can go to Save for Web, okay, and I can then, again, make sure that's on JPEG. I can save that as a long banner, and let's just call it Cons Paintings. Okay, and save it to the blog image folder, conspaintings.jpg. Click on Save and close that. And there it is. So that is the long banner. And I can just insert that straight into my blog page. So if I go back here and press return and add media, okay, I'm going to upload the file, click on upload file, select the file, what did I call it? Cons Paintings, open, and here it comes. So instead of having single images, 1, 2, 3, I can actually just have the entire banner as one long canvas, and I can go here to full size, 640 by 3000, which is the dimensions I set up in Photoshop, insert it into my blog page, and this time all the images are connected. You can see the loading now. And look, this is only if you know the sequence that you want the images and there's no writing in between. and I'll just update that. Click on the update button, wait for it to blink. Okay, and then click on view page, and this is what I've just done. So there you have that 640 by 3000 image that's been inserted. So that's not bad. And then below that I've got the individual photos. That's not too bad. Alright, so thanks again for watching. That's another interesting lesson. Bye bye.